Welcome to 4354 Deeside Drive. It's a condo we're going to be renting for $2,200 a month in downtown Brighton. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, large eating area, family room with a fireplace, a patio off the family room, as well as master bedroom. Kitchen stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, mudroom, laundry room, master bedroom, walkout closet, walkout door actually. Large closet. Guest bedroom, very large, big enough for a king-size bed. Another walk-in closet. Give us a call if you're interested in renting, 517-404-4270.